This has always been a debatable topic among the internet, and it is not just bound to LinkedIn but discussed for every social media platform. We will discuss some point to showcase where both of them outperform each other and where they lack. Depends on your content. The probability of working for an image or a video highly depends on what kind of content you make. If your product or service needs an image to share itself with the audience, then videos aren't going to help you, and vice versa. For example, if you have to show a product demo to the audience, you would require a video for that, not an image carousel, which will be quite uncomfortable to skip and read for each slide. For engagement, if you want a user to stop scrolling and look onto your content, then a video will work fine for you. While an image can bring initial impressions, but a video will hook the user to spend more time on your content. You must have seen how some creators cleverly put slides of photos and turn into a video to garner views. Also, a video will spread quickly among users if it is watched more. For marketing, there are a few studies on the internet regarding which is more effective between photos and videos for marketers. And it has been proved that videos bring far more engagement than images. The reason for this is what we discussed in the above point. Images bring impressions, while videos make users spend more time with your content. Thus, slightly more time means a better chance to convert that viewers into a potential customer. For click-through rate, videos are good to hook users with your content, but it does not necessarily mean that it manages to bring client to purchasing end. Images excel videos in bringing click-through rates. The reason here is that images can get exactly to point, whereas video can take a little time to build up with the interest of the viewer. Also, a plus point, creating an image requires much less effort than a video.